just want to show how the spacing of these magnets take place and how they work. Right now with the cartridge and these holes that are done up in the cartridge right here, as you back out that cap screw, these 4 holes give you the setting for each of the 3 beater angles, so that the spacing between these 2 magnets is what you want for the overall feel of your pedal. So right now I just have it 3rd hole back from the front, so that'd be in a counterclockwise direction from the front. And as you as you re-screw in the cap screw, just be sure that you're not over tightening. It's just meant to find that hole, and you'll feel when it gets snug, it's not threading into anything. So don't over tighten, okay? It's just a matter of holding the cartridge in place so it doesn't rotate or move or anything. There's 3 holes here for the beater angle setting, so it comes factory set in the middle hole. That gives you just a roundabout setting with the repulsion, the cartridges, angle on the beater. We're going to go ahead and just demonstrate the angle changing procedure, which is basically just backing out this cap screw here, which coincides with the hole in this centerpiece. We just pull it back a little bit to where the hole lines up. You put it back in and tighten the cap screw through to the other side. This one you do want to tighten up nice and tight, so there's no play in it in the middle. So now that you've done that, it's a lot more angle back off your bass drum, which now changes how the spacing takes place in your magnet cartridges. If you wanted to bring it up to give a little bit more of a return throw action, see, that's just a magnet. I'm just turning that cartridge on the axle, which pushes the other magnet up here. So if you wanted that kind of action, magnet repulsion in your play, you would make use of these 3 holes here, where the 3rd one all the way back is the factory setting, and you can pull it up once, twice, whatever you'd like. You leave it in that 3rd hole. But the 2nd hole back just gives you a magnetic repulsion sooner on the return. So as you play it forward, it comes back and these magnets will meet sooner. That's basically all it does, and that spacing is what's going to give you the feel. So as you play around with your pedal, you'll see how it works, how it feels, and what's best for you. To the right side meaning as the pedal's facing you this way, and the beater being further back now is going to take longer to get to the bass drum head, which means it's going to travel further and meet up sooner in these magnets. So with the other setting in the middle and this setting here, you're going to want to take this back 1 or even 2 of those holes. I'll just go 1. And then this way with that, you'll see just as you start tightening in the cap screw, the tip of it will find the hole. Just snug it up, don't over tighten. And now we've got spacing that is more accommodating to the angle. More space, less repulsion than you would just loosen the cap screw and take it out to that front hole. once you do your upper setup and beater angle, just give it a fine-tuning tweak with your slide adjust feature. A more alignment this way, you can see that, all the way up, more alignment so the repulsion is taking place upon the full surface area of the magnet, and then when you bring it back, they're more offset. So now there's less surface area coming close to one another. Also with this, just a note, okay, snug it up, it's tight, it's not going to move. When you want to change that setting, just, gosh, 1/8 of a turn loosens that cap screw enough. This magnet travels in a track machined into the bottom side of the pedal. You don't want to loosen it, over loosen I should say, because then the magnet can come out of that track. It's been designed to be just a slight 1/8 of a turn. The magnet cartridge will move freely and tighten it up where you want it set. This is our 3XF single pedal, and any more information you'd like, check it out at the website www.drumnetics.com. You can email me. I am Mike@drumnetics.com. Feel free to email me with any questions. We've got some YouTube videos, we've got some Facebook stuff going on. Check us out wherever you'd like. Okay, thanks very much, and hope to hear from you soon.